Morning students, I am Naraj Maths faculty in Target High School. You know very well all of you. Yes, today we discuss about and again area and perimeter of a rhombus. Area and perimeter of a rhombus. So observe carefully here rhombus. So it is one of the type of a quadrilateral. One of the type of a quadrilateral. So regarding either quadrilateral or parallelogram, we define rhombus easily students. Observe the definition. A quadrilateral in which all sides are equal is called a rhombus. Or in a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, adjacent sides are equal. Adjacent sides are equal is called a rhombus. Okay, here observe students, draw a diagram like this. Okay, A, B, C and also D. So all sides are equal. All sides are equal. So here we have taken the information one by one students. So all sides are equal. All sides are equal. So that is here, that is which is all sides AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. So all sides means we have taken small a students. Small a means length of its side. Length of its side. Okay. And second one, diagonals are not equal. Diagonals are not equal. Which are the diagonals here? Observe carefully students. AC is a diagonal. BD also another diagonal. Isn't it? Right? And bisect perpendicularly. Bisect perpendicularly. Here it is student. In downside also it is. I take this information also. Diagonals are not equal. Diagonals are not equal. Diagonals are not equal and bisects perpendicularly. Bisects perpendicularly. Bisects perpendicularly. So that is observed students here. AC is not equal to BD. AC is not equal to BD. That means we have taken separately length of a diagonal. Here let me consider AC equal to D1 and BD equal to D2. Here comes to this side students. AC is not equal to BD and here observe students. Angle here both are bisects at O. AOD 90, COD 90, AOB and also BOC also 90 degrees. Okay. So then that implies here AC perpendicular to BD. AC perpendicular to BD. So then therefore AC equal to D1 taken and BD equal to D2. BD equal to D2. Length of diagonal. Okay friends. Here observe carefully. This is A and again here this part it is half of the D1. So total D1. So this part it is half of the D1. So here also D2 totally students. Right. Next one. Observe carefully here. I take this right triangle students. Right triangle AOD. Right triangle AOD. In right triangle AOD by using Pythagoras theorem. So here observe students, opposite to right angle it becomes this is hypotenuse, that is AD square equal to OA square plus OD square. OA square plus OD square. So AD square value, so nothing but A square equal to OA means half of D1. So that is D1 by 2 whole square plus. So OD is so it is half of D2. So D2 by 2 whole square. D2 by 2 whole square. Is it or not? So by using this formula students, so here A square equal to A means nothing but A side. A square equal to D1 by 2 whole square plus D2 by 2 whole square. D2 by 2 whole square. This is one more formula students. Right. So comes to other way. Right, goes to formulae. First one, perimeter. Perimeter of a rhombus. So perimeter of a rhombus equal to, perimeter means length of all sides. It is starting A. So A plus A plus A plus A. How many A's are there? 4 A's. 4 A's. That's why here perimeter equal to 4A, where A equal to side. Where A equal to side. Next one, area. Next one, area. Observe students, here it is. Alright. Area. Formula equal to half into D1 into D2. Half into D1 into D2. Where D1 comma D2 are diagonals. D1 D2 are diagonal. That means D1 equal to first diagonal, D2 equal to second diagonal. Okay students, right. Here observe carefully, or under way of expression. Here, by using this formula, first derive D1 formula student. How it is, observe carefully here. Plus, okay. D2 transfer left side becomes, so D1 by 2 whole square, isn't it or not? So here, observe carefully once. D1 by 2 whole square equal to A square minus of D2 by 2 whole square. D2 by 2 whole square. Okay, right. Square transfer right side becomes square root. Therefore, here D1 equal to square root of A square minus D2 by 2 whole square. D2 by 2 whole square. This after squaring students, 2 is there. 2 transfer right side becomes 2. Okay. So, in this formula, D1 equal to 2 into square root of A square minus of D2 by 2 whole square. D2 by 2 whole square. Okay. So, selectly the students here this. So, on number 1 here, D1 equal to 2 into square root of A square minus D2 by 2 whole square. D2 by 2 whole square, or interchange D1 D2, then number 2 D2 equal to 2 into square root of A square minus D2 by 2 whole D1 by 2 whole square. D1 by 2 whole square. By using this formula we derive here students. So here also D1 replace, first to use this formula. Next to second one, D2 replace, use this formula. That is here, observe carefully. 1 by 2 D1 into 2 into square root of A square minus D1 by 2 whole square. D1 by 2 whole square. 2 to get cancelled, or you can write directly D1 into square root of A square minus D1 by 2 whole square. Same procedure. Here also as the same students are underway. So that implies D2 into square root of A square minus D2 by 2 whole square. D2 by 2 whole square. Okay students? Right. Next one, correlation formulas. Correlation formulas, or one more students. So rhombus is one of the parallelogram. Rhombus is one of the parallelogram, right? If you know the base along with height, height means distance between two base and the top, distance between base and the top. So here height will be taken. So height, observe carefully, height equal to distance between base and the top. Base and top. That means by using this one, area equal to A into H. A means side into height. This formula also can be used. Next one, correlation formula. Yes, observe carefully. So correlation formula. So before that, here there observe students, A square equal to D1 by 2 whole square plus D2 by 2 whole square. D2 by 2 whole square. Expansion here students, A square equal to D1 square by 4 plus D2 square by 4. Okay, 4 as a LCM of denominator. Then A square equal to D1 square plus D2 square by 4. Same denominator. Yes, 4 transferred right side. What you get finally? d1 square plus d2 square equal to 4a square. 4a square by using this formula, students, correlation formula. So first one, number 1 equal to d1 square plus d2 square. d1 square plus d2 square equal to 4a square. 4a square. Here d1 d2 are diagonals and a is a side. A is a side, students. Okay, right. Next one. Generally, here observe p equal to 4a. P equal to 4a. Here 4a square can be written as like this. Observe carefully. So p square by 4. Suppose p square by 4. P value equal to here 4a. P square means 16a square by 4. So 4 get cancelled. 4a square is it or not? So 4a square can be written as p square by 4. P square by 4. Okay, if you know the d1, d2, find by using perimeter by using this formula. Okay, suppose we find the side, use this formula, students. So this formula is derived two ways. One is if you know the side, or if you find the side or perimeter, use this formula, students. Right? And second one, observe carefully. If you know the diagonals d1 and d2 along with one side, how to find the area? How to find the area? So observe here, students. Second one, d1 plus d2 whole square equal to d1 plus d2 whole square equal to. So 4 of a square plus a square plus a. If it is given sum of diagonals along with one side, to finding a area, apply this formula, students. Suppose if it is given difference of two sides, d1 minus d2 whole square equal to 4 of a square minus a square minus a. By using these two formulas, we can get the result, students. Okay, right. So and go for third one. Third one, a into h equal to, here a for side into height equal to d1 d2 by 2. d1 d2 by 2. These are very very important, students. Three formulas, learn carefully. Right. Go for the problem, students. First one, if the side of the rhombus is 2.2 meters, find the perimeter of the rhombus. So what is the perimeter of the rhombus? 4a. Here a for side. Side value also given, students. Right. Go for the solutions. Solution given. In a rhombus. In a rhombus side small a equal to 2.2 meters. 2.2 meters, right? So perimeter equal to 4a. That is 4 into 2.2. Okay? So then that implies 8.8 meters. 8.8 meters. This is the solution of given problem, students. Right. Go for second problem. The two diagonals of a rhombus are 12 cm and 8 cm. Find its area. So observe, students, while going to solutions, here two diagonals are given. So in a rhombus, first diagonal d1 equal to 12 cm taken and d2 equal to 8 cm. 8 cm. Next line. Therefore area equal to half d1 d2. Half d1 d2. Which implies half into d1 value is 12 and d2 value equal to 8, students. Okay, 2 1s, 2 4s. So then that implies 12 4 of 48. 48 square centimeter is the solution. Okay, so all of you must practice carefully, students. Third one, the area of a rhombus is 100 square centimeter. One of its diagonal is 12.5 centimeter. Find the other diagonal. Okay, students. So approaching the solution. So solution given. Take a rhombus. Okay, in that observe carefully what the given area is given. Okay, so one diagonal d1 equal to 12.5 square centimeters, and also area also given. We find D2 students. We find D2. So according to the problem, area equal to 100 square centimeters. 100 square centimeters. Right. What is area formula? 1 by 2 d1 d2 equal to 100. Okay. Then that implies substitute the values. So here 2 transfer right side becomes multiplication. What about d1 value here? d1 equal to 12.5. So that is 12.5 into d2 equal to 100 into 2. 100 into 2. Okay students? Right. So next one. d2 equal to 100 into 2 by 12.5. 12, observe carefully students here. 12.5 can be written as 125 by 10. Is it or not? 125 by 10. This value transfer right side 125 we can express in the denominator. This time we can express in the numerator only. Okay, right. So into 10 by 125. 125. Yes. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 25. So again 5 2s are 10. Next one. 25 ones, 25 fours. Okay, finally D2 equal to 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 centimeters. 16 centimeter. That is the D2. Means other diagonal, second diagonal value students. The perimeter of a rhombus is 88 centimeters. Then find side students. So first problem we discuss if it is a side, how to find perimeter. But here reciprocal, converse or reversibly. So observe the solution. Solution given. Right. Perimeter of a rhombus. Perimeter of a rhombus. Perimeter of a rhombus equal to how much given? 88 centimeters. 88 centimeter. Perimeter of a rhombus equal to formula 4 into side or 4a. 4a equal to 88 student. Strike it out with 4. 4 to 8, 4 to 8. A equal to 22. That means side A equal to 22 centimeters. This is the solution of given problem students. Okay. Yes, this problem is also one of the different way of approachment students. What they given, first analyze the problem carefully. Right. If the sum of the lengths of the diagonals of a rhombus of a side 5 centimeter is 13 centimeter. So in that observe carefully, why we strong in a grammatical. So side of a rhombus equal to 5 centimeters and lengths of diagonals, that is d1 plus d2 equal to 13 centimeter. Okay, right. What is its area? What is its area? By using correlation formula, we can get the result students. Correlation formula. Right. Observe the solution carefully. Solution given. Solution given. In a rhombus. In a rhombus. Okay. Side small a equal to 5 centimeters. Okay. Next one. Sum of the diagonals given. That is d1 plus d2 equal to 13 centimeters. 13 centimeters. Next students observe by using correlation formula. By using correlation formula. Correlation formula, that is d1 plus d2 whole square. d1 plus d2 whole square equal to 4 of a square plus a. 4 of a square plus a. Here observe students, d1 plus d2 whole square. How much d1 plus d2 value? 13. Well, 13 squares, 13 meters. So that is here. Substitute the values in that formula. So 13 square equal to 4 of side. How much side value? 5. So here 5 square plus a. 5 square plus a. Next one. This word transport left side becomes divisible. Right here. What about 13 square value? 13 square value is 169. So here 169 by 4 equal to here 5 square value students 25. So 25 plus A. Okay. This A we can express either right side or left side, no problem at all. Why? Because of both values are equal here. Okay. So plus 25 transfer left side becomes minus. So finally A equal to 169 by 4 minus 25. Minus 25. Okay. Take LCM of denominator. It becomes 4 as a LCM of denominator. So 169 minus 425 is a 100. 425 is a 100. So it becomes 69 by 4. Yes, strike it off with 4. Finally, 17.25 square centimeters. This is the value of given problem, students. Right. Observe important problem, students here. The perimeter of a rhombus is 146 centimeter and one of the diagonal is 55 centimeters. Find the other diagonal. Find the other diagonal and the area of the rhombus, students. Area of the rhombus. So here what they given, once analyze the problem carefully. Solution given in a rhombus. In a rhombus. In a rhombus. Right. One diagonal is given, students. What about the diagonal value 55? So D1 equal to 55 centimeters. D1 equal to 55 centimeters. And also perimeter is given, students. How much perimeter value? Perimeter equal to, that is 146 centimeters. Is it or not? So perimeter equal to formula 4A. So 4A equal to 146. A nothing but side. A nothing but side. Therefore side equal to 146 by 4. So cancellation. 4 3s are 12 and again 4 6s are 24. 4 6s are 24. Okay, next 4 5s are 20. I thought 36.5 centimeters. 36.5 centimeter. This is A value, students. Side A. So we have taken here side A equal to 36.5 centimeter. We find other diagonal, students. Other diagonal. Therefore, other diagonal equal to. So other diagonal equal to formula. Already we know that, student. That is A square equal to D1 square by D1 by 2 whole square plus D2 by 2 whole square. D2 by 2 whole square. Okay. Here he given D1 first diagonal, students. Okay. This value transfer left side. Then D2 D square by 4 equal to D2 by 2 whole square equal to A square minus D1 by 2 whole square. Okay. Right. Square transfer right side becomes square root. Therefore D2 by 2 equal to square root of A square minus D1 by 2 whole square. D1 by 2 whole square. These two transfer right side, finally D2 equal to 2 into square root of A square minus D1 by 2 whole square. This is the formula, students. By using this one, we can get the result finally. Okay. So other diagonal D2 equal to formula 2 into square root of A square minus D1 by 2 whole square. D1 by 2 whole square. Okay. Then substitute the values, students. Substitute the values. Right here. Then that implies 2 into square root of A square value. A means 36.5. 36.5 whole square minus next D1. How much D1 value? 55. 55 by 2. See here. D1 equal to 55. Then D1 by 2 equal to 55 by 2. 55 by 2 value. So here 2 2 is 4. 2 7 is 14. 2 5 is 10. 27.5 centimeters. 27.5 centimeters. So here 27.5 whole square. 27.5 whole square. Okay. Right. Clear, students, all of you? Right. Then that implies. So here 2 into square root of This is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square. So a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So here that is 36.5 plus 27.5 into 36.5 minus 27.5. Okay, so then that implies 2 into square root of both adding students half plus of 37. 37, 27. So 14, 64. 64 into there. So again 3, 9 I thought. Okay. 3. Okay. 9. So then that implies 2 into square root of 64 value 8, square root of 9 value 3. It becomes 2 3 is 6, 6 8 is 48 square, 48 centimeters. 48 centimeter. So other diagonal D2 equal to how much value, student? 48 centimeters. Okay, here we find area. So then area of a rhombus equal to half D1 D2. Half D1 D2. It becomes half into. So D1 value equal to here 55, D2 value equal to 48. 55 into 48. Okay, strike it up. 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8. It becomes 55 into 48. So finally this value equal to 48 into, that is 1320. So this product value 1320 square centimeters. 1320 square centimeter. This is the solution of given problem, students. Okay, all of you must analyze and practice carefully. Right. So analyze the problem, students, carefully. First of all, what they given. So if the area of a rhombus is 2016 square centimeter and its side is 65 centimeters, then find diagonals. Yes, draw a diagram of side, students. First a rhombus. So here it is. Okay, this is a rhombus, students, and also a diagonals here. Side value, how much given side value? 65 centimeter. Side means this value 65, and here also 65, 65 and also 65, students. Okay. So here total diagonal equal to, it is D1, students. So both are intersect at O. Okay. Here up to this part it is x taken, up to this part also it is x taken, students. So total D1 equal to x plus x, 2x. Okay. And D2 value up to this part it is y, and downside also y. So total y plus y, 2y, students. Okay. Right. Observe the solution carefully. Solution given. In a rhombus, okay, area equal to how much given? 2016 square centimeters. Okay, then area of a rhombus formula 1 by 2 d1 d2. So 1 by 2 d1 d2 equal to 2016, students. Okay, right. D1 equal to how much here? X plus x, 2x. So then that implies 1 by 2 into D1 value 2x, D2 value 2y equal to 2016. Okay, here 1 2 cancel, students. 2x into y, 2xy equal to 2016. Okay, then strike it off with 2. Then xy equal to how much value? 2 1 is 2, 2 0 0, 2 0 0, 2 8 is 16. So here we find 2xy along with xy. Isn't it or not? So here, which is equation 1 taken, students. Equation number 1. And comes to other side. Okay. So if you take like this, students, A, B, C and also D. Okay. In right triangle. So we know that diagonals are bisect perpendicularly. That means here angle AOD is a right triangle. AOD is a right triangle. So here in right triangle AOD, isn't it? Right. So then x square plus y square equal to 65 whole square. 65 whole square. Okay, students? 65 whole square. How much 65 whole square? Will observe carefully. That is 4225. So here x square plus y square equal to this square value 4225 students. 4225. Okay, right. So x square plus y square means how can I express? Observe students here x plus y whole square minus 4xy, sorry, minus 2xy. Minus 2xy equal to 4225. 4225. Okay, right. Then this minus value transformed right side becomes plus. So finally x plus y whole square equal to, okay, 4225 plus 2 into xy value. How much xy value? Or directly we are taking student 2xy value how much here? 2016. So here plus 2016. So it becomes, so this summation value observe carefully 4225 2016 11 4 2 6 6241 6241. Okay, this square transfer right side becomes square root. So finally x plus y equal to square root of 6241. 6241. So square root of 6241 value is nothing but 79 students. So which is equation number 2. So xy equal to 1008, x plus y equal to 79. Equation 2 students. Okay, right. So we go for remaining classes students. Right. Next observe students here. So we know x plus y value. Next x minus y whole square equal to x plus y whole square minus 4xy. So it becomes x plus y whole square value how much? 79. 79 whole square minus 4xy. So here 2xy value, that is 4032. 4xy value 4032. So then that implies 79 whole square value students. 79 into 79. Observe carefully. 9 9 is 81. 63. 71. 71. Right? Next 7 9 is 63. 7 7 is 49. 55. So 1 4 12 6. 6241. Becomes 6241 minus 4032. Right. So it becomes difference value 6241 minus 4032. 4032. So 11 minus 2 it becomes 9022. 2209.